Khan was present at the song launch of his upcoming film Madari. The actor, who told that the film is based on a real incident, interacted with both fans and media.
Nishi and we have been working together for a long time. When he was in television, I did something for him. And then I worked with him in Mumbai Meri Jaan. But after Mumbai Meri Jaan, Nishikant changed his style of making. After that he made Falls, then he made Drishyam, then he made another film as well. So now he's trying to make films for a larger audience. He made a Marathi film as well, which was also Le Bhari. So he's making a film which is for the larger audience. So that's how he has changed his gear. And he's a fantastic craftsman, and you'll see how he has played that thriller and emotional part, which is a very strange combination. I was involved in the song, and I requested Vishal Saab that it should be composed in a way that should relate to youth. It should become a kind of voice of youth. They have angst, they have so many questions. So the song is actually is like a party song, but the lyrics are fantastic. You must hear the lyrics, and it's asking many questions, reflecting about our country. Madari, we were struggling with the title, and I chose a title called Dangal. And but our director Nishikant, he had some issue with it. He said Dangal in Maharashtra has a different connotation, so he was not okay with it. So I had to then again think. And one night I decided that जो भी हो जाए मैं आज रात को टाइटल लेके ही छोड़ूंगा. तो रात को मैंने 8-10 टाइटल्स मैंने सोचे, and then Madari, because we basically in system sometimes what happens that system और आम आदमी के साथ जो है जमूरा और मदारी का खेल चलता रहता है. वो अपने इशारों पे नचाते रहते हैं. तो कौन कब जमूरा बनता है, कौन कब मदारी बनता है, ये प्ले है इसमें.
आपने लालू यादव के साथ प्रमोशन किया फिल्म का, क्या ऐसा रीजन रहा? आपने सिस्टम के खिलाफ कुछ क्या बताइए? तो लालू यादव साहब कितने रिलेवेंट लगे इस फिल्म को प्रमोट करने?
मैं और कई लोगों को मैंने न्योता भेजा. मैं जानना चाहता था, एक आम आदमी की तरह मेरे सवाल है बहुत सारे, जैसे लोगों के सवाल हैं, हम वो सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं. तो किससे पूछें? बाबा रामदेव से तो पूछ नहीं सकते. उनको ही भेजा मैंने न्योता. मैंने कहा कि आपसे बात करनी है एक आम आदमी की तरह, मैं आ सकता हूँ, क्यों फिल्म ही प्रमोट करनी है अपनी, और सवाल भी पूछूंगा कि हमारी फिल्म जो है इसी बारे में है. तो मैं नाचने गाने नहीं आ रहा हूँ, अब सिर्फ सवाल करने आ रहा हूँ. मैंने मोदी जी को ही भेजा, मैंने केजरीवाल को ही भेजा इन्विटेशन. तो लालू जी का आ गया. उन्होंने कहा हाँ ईद का मौका है. उन्होंने अपना देखा होगा कुछ, पता नहीं जो भी.